the biggest problem that a rising national debt creates for small businesses is uncertainty. We're in uncertain times anyhow, and any variable makes things scarier for small businesses. And a rising national debt creates more uncertainty for businesses of all kinds, and that directly ripples to small businesses because their customers have less money to spend.
The uncertainty of the financial stability of your federal government or your state government, whatever the case may be, drastically affects your outlook on the next 6 months or the next 12 months. And it will cause you to not hire when you think you may need to hire. It will cause you to not open a second location, to order more inventory, and all the things that make the economy go forward, make your company grow.
The uncertainty of this economy has definite real-world impact on work that I do. Because of the uncertainty, voters find it difficult to say yes at the voting booth when it comes time to finance projects. But even beyond that, it's difficult for me to hire people with confidence, knowing that projects may or may not be moving forward.
I have clients. I tell them regularly, you cannot continue to borrow and fund all your growth with borrowing. Eventually you have all of your money going to repay your debt. None of it to support your growth. You hit a point where either the revenue has to go up or the spending has to come down. You have no other choices. And it's all driven because they cannot grow everything in this economy solely on debt.
The biggest problem that most small businesses face with the tax code isn't the amount of taxes they pay, it's the complexity of the code. And dealing with the tax code takes time from finding customers, training their employees, and generally growing their business in the economy. And we need to find a way to lift that burden from them and let them go be productive.